you might be asking yourself, why would I want a bottomless portafilter? Well, I think if you clicked on this video, you already know. With a bottomless portafilter, you can take a look at your extractions and see how good they're doing. And that way you can see if you're getting spritzers, or if your grind is too fine, or if it's not fine enough. You can do a lot of diagnosis with this bottomless portafilter, and the coolest thing is that the extractions are just really fun to watch. And today I want to show you how to turn this portafilter that comes with the Dedica EC680 and 685 into this, a bottomless portafilter. And if you like content like this, please like and subscribe to push this video up for more people to see. First of all, you're going to need the portafilter, a marker, hacksaw, something for deburring the edges, and personal safety equipment. Eyeglasses, a mask. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do to get started is to know how much of the portafilter to cut off. The best way to do that is to get a basket ahead of time and measure it out. Now if you take a look at the portafilter, how it comes, this is the original basket. It's got just one hole in it. That doesn't do us a whole lot of good. We want a real basket that's got a bunch of holes in it. And it's got this black piece in there that we have to take out. That is simple, it's just with that screw there. And then we can start sawing. Don't forget to take the spring out. We're going to need that for later. This part we're not going to need anymore. And that is the line that I have to saw on. So I'm going to put on my personal protective equipment and get started. Now it's best if you have a vise to put this in. Something to hold it tight. I don't have a vise, so I'm just going to have to hold it myself, but that's what I would recommend. Please do this with care. You are responsible for your own actions. Make sure to wear protective safety equipment such as gloves, the eyeglasses, the protective eyeglasses, and a mask so that you don't breathe in any of the shavings. Please be careful when doing this. Now to cut off this last part. Now, we just got these two little nubs to get off, one on each side, and we're almost done. So here you see the sawed off product. All I have to do now is deburr it, maybe sand it a little bit to make it look a little nicer. And that is your bottomless portafilter. This is a deburring tool I got from Amazon. This works really well for lots of different things. Just going to try to deburr it a little bit. If you don't have a deburring tool, you can also just use sandpaper or Dremel. All right, that looks pretty good. I'll sand it down just a little bit, and then we will be good to go. Just going to clean it up with a little alcohol. That looks pretty good. It's important to make sure all the shavings are off. And now, for just a little bit of invested time, you've got a bottomless portafilter for your DeLonghi EC680 or 685. Let's test out the fit. Put the spring back in there. Take our aftermarket basket, 51 millimeters. Put that sucker in there. Whoop. And there you go, bottomless portafilter. We'll see you next time. Bye now.